Hi, my name is Sam Reed, and I am the president of the Wood Island Life Saving Station Association. We're a charity that's restoring this 1908 historic building on behalf of the town of Kittery. We're really excited. We're getting close to done. Wanted to tell you about an event on August 12th, Saturday night. There's going to be a fireworks show here on the Piscataqua River, and the best place to see it is Great Island Common in Newcastle. The fireworks will go off at 9 o'clock. We're partnered with the food pantry Gather, so please come to the fireworks at Great Island Common and please bring non-perishable food for those folks that are in need. I bring to your attention, holy mackerel, what's going on behind me. We've got rock and gravel arriving today, and it's really something. Want to show them what you got going on, Jim?